Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this video, you will learn how to update your store profile, the place that holds your store name, your contact details, and your location. Keeping this information correct helps customers trust you, helps couriers deliver to the right place, and helps your store show up properly across Resogra. It only takes a minute, so let us get started. From your vendor panel, open your store profile. This page is organized into tabs along the top. Start on the General tab, highlighted here, which holds your most important store details. First is your store name. This is the name customers see across Resogra, so make sure it is spelled exactly the way you want it to appear. Next is your contact email. Resogra and your customers use this address to reach you, so always keep it current. If you ever change your email, this is the place to update it. Now add your street address. This is where your shipments are sent from, and it helps couriers pick up your orders without any confusion. Add your city. Accurate location details help Resogra calculate shipping correctly, so your customers always see the right delivery cost. Choose your country from the list. Your country, together with your postal code, makes sure shipping rates and taxes are worked out correctly for every order. Add a phone number. Couriers sometimes need to call about a pickup or a delivery, so a working number keeps your orders moving smoothly. When everything looks right, click Save to keep your changes. That is all it takes to keep your store profile accurate and ready for business. And that is how you keep your store profile up to date. It is worth checking every few months, especially if your email, phone number, or address ever changes. Thanks for watching the Vendor Academy, and welcome to the Resogra family.